Hey guys. So this is the link that you'll find when you are on Google Classroom and you go under quick links. It's called alarm clock. So you might want to do this if I ever tell you, okay, I want you guys to log out of Zoom and you are going to work on a science assignment or something like that. But then I want you to come back in at whatever time. I might do this like when we're doing the diagnostic assessment or if I'm assessing people one on one because it's just hard to do that and keep track of everyone else. So there will be times where I'll ask you to come back at a certain time. And this is a good tool to help you, well, remember to come back. So you click on alarm clock. Right. Go here. And then you'll enter the time. So now you can go to, let's say I said I want you to come back at 9:30 and it's in the morning. So we go 9:30 a.m. I want you to come back. 9, that's the hour. Here's the minutes. 9:30. And then click set the alarm. You have to click set the alarm. And then that will work. Right? And then this little bar will show you how close you are. 9:30 is a long time from now in the morning, so that's why you don't really see the bar. All right, I hope that this tool helps.